Verification is all about making sure your HACCP plan is effective and being followed correctly. It's like double-checking your work to ensure everything is on track. Why is verification important? Verification plays a crucial role in building a strong HACCP system. Validate the HACCP plan. Before we even launch our plan, verification helps us confirm that it's scientifically sound, that we've identified all potential hazards, and that our controls will be effective. This often involves reviewing scientific studies, consulting experts, and conducting in-plant tests. Ensure the plan is being followed. Ongoing verification activities help us check that our team is following the HACCP plan correctly, and that our CCP monitoring and corrective actions are effective. This might involve reviewing records, observing processes, and conducting internal audits. Maintain a strong system. Verification helps us identify any weaknesses in our system and make necessary adjustments. This might involve reevaluating our hazard analysis, updating critical limits, or improving monitoring procedures. Types of verification can take many forms. Reviewing records, regularly checking CCP monitoring logs, corrective action records, and other documentation. Observing operations, watching processes in action to see if procedures are being followed correctly. Calibrating equipment, ensuring monitoring equipment is accurate and reliable. Validating processes, conducting tests to confirm that critical limits are effective, for example, cooking a batch of beef patties and testing to ensure it meets the required safety standards. Internal audits, having trained internal staff conduct periodic reviews of the HACCP system. External audits, bringing in independent experts or regulatory agencies to conduct a comprehensive review of the entire system. Who's involved? Verification activities can be carried out by various people: internal staff, trained employees within the company; third-party experts, consultants or specialists with expertise in HACCP; regulatory agencies, government inspectors who ensure compliance with food safety regulations. Key takeaway: verification is a continuous process of checking, evaluating, and improving our HACCP system. It's essential for ensuring that our plan is effective and that we're consistently producing safe food.